Have you ever wondered why you have 2 ears and only 1 mouth? I believe that it's because I should listen twice as much as I should speak. In my life, I've gotten in more trouble, caused more grief, and hurt more people by simply opening my mouth and allowing my ignorance, poison, and anger to freely flow. For that, I'm sorry. It's from those experiences, however, that I've learned to keep my mouth shut and my ears open instead. From those experiences, I've learned to really listen, not just hear, but really listen what others are trying to tell me. It's crucial to listen to beyond conversation. I'm talking about making yourself available to accept new information and new knowledge. So listening to life, experiences, your God, your universe, and yourself. There are messages, signs, warnings, and lessons to be learned every day if we'd only trust ourselves to hear them. To hear what's being said, be quiet, be still. Find a daily silence. Hush the internal voice and be calm, peaceful, and relaxed. So if you're alone, at peace, and it's quiet, what should you be listening for? You're listening to your breath, to your worries fading, and to the demands of your internal conversations settle. I believe that most of us have so many self-induced demands, distractions, and static in our lives that we can't hear ourselves. Our minds love the puzzle of trying to figure everything out, so it creates more internal noise, more static, and more frustration, confusion, and distraction from what's really important. This daily serenity is your opportunity, your requirement to settle, to bring organization into your mind's life by hushing the static and filtering out the noise, distraction, and negativity. Now, my approach may not be your approach, but I savor 20 to 40 minutes of daily, uninterrupted silence to be calm. This allows me to focus on peaceful mental images, to simply listen. Now, others have shared with me that a daily hour spent jogging or walking is meditative for them. Still others have found their silence in a chapel, in their prayers, or in an art museum, or just alone in a shaded backyard. Whatever solution you create, you should find daily time to be alone, to be silent, calm, peaceful, and attentive. Try different approaches to determine what you are most comfortable with. I have learned that when I meditate, I'm suddenly able to get more done. I'm suddenly happier, and my thoughts have a distinct clarity of purpose. When I don't meditate, things are simply foggier, more frustrating, and the chatter of my internal conversation becomes more negative and pessimistic. In this exercise, I want you to explore meditation. Now, I am no guru with regards to meditation. I can only share with you my approach and what's worked for me. All I ask of you in this exercise is to consider the possibility of meditating and how it may be helpful for you in your lifelong project. I know from my experience I function much better when I have this silence than on the days I allow myself to skip it. Meditation is not an easy activity, but I believe its benefits outweigh its cost. Now, you may be turned off to the idea of meditation. I don't judge you for that, but listen to me. I was skeptical at first, and then I tried just once to see what would happen. For me, it's worked. I found an opportunity to be quiet, to cherish silence. Do a web search on meditation, and you'll find some great resources. And I've added some resources in this exercise for you to check out. Go ahead. Try something new in your life and simply explore a few of these approaches to determine what works or doesn't work for you.